Welcome back to System DLL Tech. Seeing the DNSSD.dll missing error on your screen? In this video, I'll show you two quick methods to fix it and get your software running again. Let's dive right in. Now, before we go into the fixes, we need to find out if you have a 32 or a 64-bit Windows operating system. To do that, in the search area of the taskbar, type Settings. Click on the first result that appears, and then scroll down. You should be able to see the About section. Click on that, and next to System Type, you should be able to find out if you have a 64 or a 32-bit operating system. Now that you've found this information, let's jump into the fixes. For the first method, you need to download the missing DLL files and place them in the appropriate folders on your PC. To do this, open your browser. Go to this link, scroll down to the Download section. From here, you need to download 132 and 164-bit DLL file. Click on Download. Once it's saved, go back. Next, download the 64-bit file. Now that you have both the files, we need to extract this file now. Repeat the same for the 64-bit file as well. Next, you need to open the C folder and then go to Windows folder. Here you'll be able to see two folders, System32 and SysWOW64. You will see both of these folders only if you have a 64-bit operating system. However, if you have a 32-bit OS, you will see only the System32 folder. If you're using a 32-bit OS, simply copy the 32-bit file and paste it directly into the System32 folder. Now, if you have a 64-bit OS, and since I have a 64-bit OS, copy the 32-bit file, open the SysWOW64 folder, and paste it there. Similarly, go back and then open the System32 folder, copy the 64-bit file, and paste it inside the folder. Now once that is done, you need to restart the application to see if the DLL error is now fixed. The DNSSD.dll file is part of the Bonjour software. If the Bonjour software files are either corrupted or damaged, then this missing DLL error can occur. Now, we can try to repair the installation files, or we can reinstall the application from the beginning. So let's try to repair the application first to see if that fixes the DLL error. Now, to do this, in the search area of the taskbar, type Add or Remove Programs, and then search for the application from the search bar. Here, you should be able to find Bonjour Print Services if you've already installed it on your PC. Click on the three dots at the right end of it and select Modify. So here you have an option to repair. Click on Repair. Once that is done, click on Finish. Try running the application again to see if the DLL error is now fixed. However, if the DLL error is still not fixed, then you need to download or repair two other softwares. One is the Airport Utility, and other one is the Apple iTunes. Now, to repair, I've already showed you how it's done for Bonjour. It's the same process that you need to do for those two softwares as well. However, if you're looking to download and install, then I've shared the links of the files in the description of this video. So let's start with the first file. Open your browser and go to this link to download the Airport Utility. Click on Download and save the file. Similarly, to download iTunes, click on Download and save the file. Now, once you've saved both the files, you need to run the installation. First, I'll show you how to run the Airport Utility installation. Right-click on the downloaded exe file, select Run as Administrator, select Yes, click on Next, accept the terms, click on Next again, and select Install. Once that is done, click on Finish. Now, similarly, you can run the installation for iTunes as well. iTunes installation might take slightly longer time. Once the installation is complete, run the application again to see if the DLL error is fixed. So that's it for this video. Hope the method shared in this video was useful for you. Until next video, thank you and bye-bye.